We all get a brief window of opportunity on this planet. And while you're catching up on sleep this morning, consider this. There's a snail out there, right now, risking everything to cross the largest desert of a sidewalk it's ever seen. Why? Because it beats hiding in its shell at home? Or maybe it was inspired by every snail that ever successfully reached the other side. I don't know. I'm not really sure what motivates a mollusk. But I do know this. No snail has any idea what's on the other side of that sidewalk. All they know is that they have a shell that can be cracked. And maybe not the best reaction time in the animal kingdom. But still they go. On the off chance they might actually connect with something greater than themselves. Maybe become one of those snails that inspires another snail. Now you may say this is dumb. Snails don't surf. Well, neither did any of us. Until we did.
Yeah, I mean, the tank guy isn't that great. Wanker! Bit rude. Let's go. Into... Oh, F's been taken. What? And someone died literally just next to me. Hoping that behemoth's going to give me some cover.
We are losing objective Edward.
I mean, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Well, I can't... So he died. I don't know how he died, but...
We have lost objective Edward.
Who's around here? Who's a capturing though? See plenty falls of explosions. We got it? We've almost got it. Okay then. Eh? I got a massive amount of friendly units downstairs, and he shot me through like God knows how many. Like, what? 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 What again? I don't. What? Oh, just give me a fucking team! Jesus Christ! It actually shoots people.
We are losing objective Dark.
Bitch. Oh. Yeah, so close. Someone's definitely around there. There is. I just jumping like crazy. Oh. Yes.
We have taken objective Edward.
Whoa. What the fuck was that? What is attacking this poor little building right now?
Losing objective Edward.
Let's get out of here. Go, go, go. Escape. Just go as quick as we can. I find that's normally the quickest way to just move. Just to do a bayonet charge. There's a guy coming in this corner. See, I'm definitely trying to get a bayonet charge. Fucking man, they fucking leveled the whole. Run! You fool! I know you bayonet charge, but just run. Ah, I just wouldn't run. Oh, see, the bayonet charge, you have to sort of replenish your running stuff. But I wanted to run. I did. Right, deploy into the behemoth. Do you have a better position than this? Please. This is diabolically shit. The hell? I'm not even shooting anything. Great. Let's try and go for D then. Woo! Down, 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 down. Okay then. What? I turned around and damaged a few hits, but there's like a squad coming towards me. Hey, that's our D position, you little shit. Fuck off. Right, there's a tank available, but we're about to lose anyway, so there's 0 point.